Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
लिनियर प्रोजेक्ट आणि लोकांक नाका जाल्ले डबल ट्रॅकिंगाक आपणे विरोध केलो म्हणून बीजेपी आपली तिकेट कापपाची तयारी करताली म्हणून आलिना उलयली.
I never ever had a clue given to me by the government, and frankly, I don't understand why I should not be given the ticket, at that point of time, because I have been a hard-working MLA. I am very, very proud to state that the development that has taken place in my constituency, it has not taken place in most of the other constituencies. And definitely the 3 linear projects, and for my constituency, the doubling of the South-Western Railway is total destruction. And it is precisely for this purpose. I was the one who showed them where the landing is going to be of the second track. I did my duty, and that is the reason why the party is against me. I don't care.
माविनाच्या उतरांक वजन ना, कुठ्ठाळेत ताचो प्रभाव आशिल्ल्यार माविन थंय हारचो नासलो म्हणून आलिना उलयली.
Last time I had a very difficult time helping her out to get elected. The whole of Sankwal knows how much I worked overtime, even the constituency knows. So
Mauvin'S Godinho has the habit of hallucinating. Okay? He doesn't know what he talks. First and foremost, he should remember that he lost as the MLA of Cortalim constituency in 2002. Okay? After which, he ran away to Dabolim. Challenged him some time back. He could not meet my challenge. He had nothing to show that he has done for the people of Cortalim constituency. So the question of him trying to help me to win does not arise.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.